On 30th July 2021, an MoU had been signed in the presence of Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA between the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion Board and Invest India. The most awarded investment promotion agency in the world, Invest India, is the advisor, guide and facilitator to every investor looking to make a home in India. They are the first point of contact for global companies from the day they start exploring India as an investment destination and at every step of the way throughout their journey in the world's most liberal investment destination. Invest India has a reach of over 130 countries in their respective investment promotions.
अच्छा मुझे देंगे